Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another 5 Friday favorites. Today we're going to be talking all about some new spring and summer items from one of my favorite brands, ROTHY'S. All right, so you guys know my love for this brand. I have more pairs of shoes from them than I can count. I have a number of totes and handbags. I have been sharing my love for the lightweight tote, which is like one of my all-time favorite bags. Definitely my favorite ever from ROTHY'S. Forever and ever, amen. But today I want to concentrate solely on some of their new stuff that they just launched. A lot of it that I have here to share with you today is in this cabana stripe print because when they launched it, I was obsessed with it and I wanted every single piece in it immediately because there's a couple of really cool features that they've added with this print that I think like make some of these totes. So today we're gonna be talking about some sandals, some shoes, some totes, some handbags, and accessories. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in and talk about these shoes first, and then we'll get into the handbags. These brand new ones that were just launched for spring 2025, I love, 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 love. I've been wanting to get a pair of Birkenstocks for a while, like a white pair with like a gold buckle. That's been like on my list. But when I saw that ROTHY'S launched these slides, I don't know the exact name. I will have everything linked down below because I don't know the exact name that's on the website. But when I saw that they released these slides, I grabbed them immediately because my hesitation with other brands that are similar like this is how comfortable they are. Like I know ROTHY'S is one of my favorite shoe brands as far as comfort, as far as durability. You can machine wash everything from them. And I just know what I'm getting when I buy something from ROTHY'S. So when I saw these, I was like, oh yeah, that's it for sure. They're so comfortable. I'll kind of zoom in so you can see this one more up close. I love the material of these slides because they're really soft and they kind of have a little bit of like a stretch to them when you wear them. I like that the buckle is a really pretty like brushed gold instead of a bright shiny brass. And I love the tortoise kind of print down here at the very bottom of the slides. I think it just kind of like adds something, but these are going to be worn by me all summer long. They have them in a couple of different colors, of course, on the website, but I am such a big fan of these. Speaking of sandals from ROTHY'S, these two pairs I grabbed last summer and wore them all summer long. We went on a cruise. These were like the best cruise shoes ever. You can get them wet, they dry super fast, they're cute, and they are really comfortable. I can't say that enough about ROTHY'S stuff, but they've brought them back again this year. These are the summer sandal, I believe. Come in a ton of different colors. I've had them here in this white color, which is really cute. They have black, of course, and then I have them in this red, which actually I wore more than the white, surprisingly, but I just think that they're really cute, they're different, and they're kind of like an elevated sandal. Another pair that I've really been liking, I've actually kind of worn them a ton already, and that are these boat shoes. I have a couple of different sneakers and like slip-on sneakers and whatnot from ROTHY'S. I love them all, but these, I really like the overall style of them, just the classic kind of boat shoe that you can wear with like cropped pants, or you can wear with shorts or dresses. Like there's so many different things this time of year that you can wear these with. I really like the kind of detail of the tie here. Someone on Instagram actually asked me, and I thought this was a really good question because I did kind of share these over there, if this tie comes undone as you wear it. So I guess a problem with other boat shoes, which I wasn't aware of, is as you're wearing the shoe, the actual tie here at the top can come undone and then have a really hard time tying again. These do not. They're kind of like stationary on here, and the more you wear them, it just like stays place. It's not going to come off at all for you. And again, the soles come out so you can wash them. The material is awesome. I have my true to size in all of these shoes, just kind of for reference. All right, moving on to this print that I am so obsessed with, and I loved it even more in person when I got it, and that is this cabana striped print. They have been releasing some of the cutest spring and summer patterns that every single time they like launch one, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's my favorite one. Oh, that's my favorite one. Like they're all so good. I went on the website today to actually look to see I was trying to figure out what some of these like style names were, and then I gave up, and I'll just tell you guys, I'll link them below. But I was on there looking and I saw that one of their new patterns in the lightweight tote is this like checkered sand, I think it was called. I'll try to insert a picture here if I think of it. But I was like, oh my God, that's so cute. I'm like, I love that pattern. Anyway, so my point is they just keep releasing such cute stuff. But this one is a little bit different. So this is the small like petite tote, and then I have the larger one over here. I'll kind of show you in a second. But what I loved about this collection is the handles at the very, very top. So in this one, as well as that other tote here that I'm about to show you, the handles are different. They're almost like rolled here at the top, so they just kind of add something really special to the bag. And then of course, all of ROTHY'S items has this little like blue check mark on it. But I mean, how cute, the little handles that are like kind of rolled there. So loved that about this bag, which I think is why I was like immediately drawn to this pattern. But the hardware on it is a really pretty brushed gold, and the pattern is black and cream. When I was on the website, I could have sworn this was like a deep, deep navy and cream, but it's not, it's black, and I like it even more that it is. So it's so classic. I love this little tote. This one here actually does come with a crossbody strap. So you can wear it over your shoulder or crossbody. I've just kind of been carrying this one like over the crook of my arm, just because I think it's cute like that, and it's easy to just kind of grab by these handles. But you can absolutely use this crossbody strap, shoulder strap, and just kind of keep it on there. They are removable. You obviously have little rings here on the side, but again, with ROTHY'S, just to kind of like remind you, I know I've already mentioned it, but all of their stuff is machine washable, making it like fantastic to take traveling or theme parks or places like that you know it might get kind of dirty. They come like with washable bags. You just stick them right in the washing machine and like you're good to go. So along with this cute little petite bag or tote, I have the larger one, and this is the zip top lightweight tote, I believe, or the zip top tote, I'm not sure. It seems to be a little bit shorter. I actually should have grabbed it for this video, but I will grab it when I do an actual packing video on this one. But it seems to be a little bit shorter than the classic lightweight tote and a little bit wider. So I think that's the case, but again, not 100%. I loved this one because it had a zip at the top. All of my others from ROTHY'S do not, and I thought this was really good, especially for traveling. And then of course the handles. The handles got me hook, line, and sinker. I love it. I love the contrast of this brown. You also have it like striped down the side here. I have it stuffed with towels right now. That's why it looks a little weird, but I wanted to kind of put something in it so that you can see what it was like packed, so it didn't like lay flat. But I love this tote so much. I can't say it enough. You do have rings on the side here, so if you wanted to add in one of their braided straps or their straps that are sold separately on the website, you absolutely could do that with this one. I imagine you could probably use the strap that came with that small tote on this one if you wanted to, but it's a little thin, so I'd probably put something a little bit more of substance with this one, especially because you're probably gonna pack it a little bit fuller. The tote straps do lay completely flat on the side of the bag, so if you do have a crossbody strap or something with it, you won't have the handles like flopping around on you. The drop length on the handles, which I know you guys are gonna ask me about, is really, really good. It's a nice length. The bag is so comfortable to wear. Inside, I wanna tell you about pockets. You do have, take these towels out so we can actually take a look. You do have one single pocket on the inside of this one. And it's just open right here. Other than that, it just has like that brown kind of accent color as a base down there. So big open tote. It's fantastic. It's got a little bit of like slouch to it, which is good. And yeah, I think it's like the perfect summer tote. Last but certainly not least, I had to grab the little pouches that are in the pattern as well, because why not? These are sold in a set, so you buy them together. I wanna say they're maybe the essentials pouches or something along those lines. I'm so good at names. But it has this larger one here. Of course, you have the ROTHY'S little check there. And when you open it up, I believe it has no pockets on the inside of this large one or the smaller one. Kind of show you what it looks like on the inside. The stripes are actually like a big black and white pattern, which is cool. And I love that around the zipper, you have that brown accent. I just love it so much. But then of course you also have this smaller one, which is the same exact pouch, only like a smaller version. So I have a feeling this one you're gonna see in a ton of packing videos. I just think it's so cute. So when I purchased the tote, they were running a weekly special. I don't know if they're still doing it. I tend to notice that they run different ones all the time. Like I think a week or two ago, they had, if you spent a certain amount of money, you got a crossbody or sold separately strap included with your order. This week you got this pouch, which was so cute. This was another pattern that I was eyeing in the lightweight tote because it's kind of like, not see-through, but it's kind of see-through. I'll like zoom in so you know what I'm talking about, but they're like little holes. And I loved this color for summer because it's not like an obnoxious bright red. It's kind of like a nautical red. And I thought it was so cool. So I don't know if you can buy this pouch by itself or if this was like just made for the special or not. But I thought I would point it out just in case. But I loved this kind of like, it's not mesh, it's like a webbed pattern. And on the lightweight tote or whatever bag that I saw that it comes in, I believe it was the lightweight, might be the zip top. It would be so awesome for summer, like so good. But this color, like 10 out of 10, it's so cute. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope that was helpful for those of you that were interested in maybe some of ROTHY'S new like spring or summer things. I love this brand. I can't recommend them enough. I will have links to everything down below. And then I do plan on doing a packing video for sure on that zip top tote because this is like the first one I've had in that one. So I think you all are probably gonna be curious as to how that one packs up. So I plan to do that one in the coming weeks and I will likely have these pouches packed inside. But if you have any questions before then that I can help you with, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.